Are you looking for some techniques to improve your spoken English? Hi, this is Lopamudra. I'm a career growth coach and communication expert. Here I'm going to share with you 10 different tips and techniques. By following them, you can improve your English fluency and your communication will improve. Number 1. Start reading loudly. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to read out loudly. You can follow a newspaper or any book or magazine, whatever, but read it loudly. When we are reading it loudly, our pronunciation improves, our confidence regarding talking that language improves. So please dedicate at least 30 minutes a day for reading loudly. Number 2, write something every day. Again, spend around 15 to 30 minutes minimum per day to write something. There may be some errors, not an issue at all, but please devote some time to write, because when you are writing you will be more conscious and you can again revise that to improve those things. So your things will improve again, your spoken English will also parallelly improve. Number 3, watch something every day. Just again dedicate around 15 to 30 minutes to watch particular thing. You can choose something which is of your interest area, which is in English, and you can episode wise or something a regular routine wise every day you can dedicate at least 30 minutes to listen that thing and watch that thing. When we are watching, both our ears as well as both our eyes, these 4 organs are working, so simultaneously we will be learning better. Number 4, listen to different speakers. When we are listening to different speakers, we can learn from them. They will be having their individual style of saying, individual accent of saying, individual way of presenting. So by listening to different speakers, we can grab some good things from each one of them and create our own style. So it is again going to improve your things. Number 5, speak without any hesitation. We are ultimately human beings. Errors will be there, not an issue. When we have started talking during our childhood, maybe at the age of 6 months or 1 year or 2 year old, definitely we are not doing anything absolutely perfect. There were errors, right? But still we were doing it very confidently. That is the reason we learned that language. Similarly, English is just a language. Try to speak with your family members, with your friend circle, whoever you are meeting. There may be errors, not an issue at all. Without any hesitation, speak confidently. Number 6, don't afraid of making mistakes, because when you are making mistakes, there is a scope of rectifying and improving. Without mistakes, no one will be perfect. So please feel free to make those mistakes and feel good about that. Number 7, believe in yourself. If you not believe in yourself, how you can think of the whole world believing in yourself? So believe in yourself. You are one of the favorite child of God. I always tell this to myself. I am one of the most favorite child of God. So that gives me another belief. So you can practice those kind of affirmations and make a strong belief in yourself. Number 8, don't be harsh on yourself. When you are in a continuous process of doing something, there may be some days, maybe you will be miss out with things, maybe you will not be able to give that particular time, or something is not happening. Don't feel bad or don't be harsh on yourself. Please appreciate yourself for your efforts and feel good about yourself. The more you will feel good about yourself, you can do better. Number 9, don't try to copy anybody's accent. So everybody will be having their own accent. I have seen many people, most of the people rather, trying to copy a foreign accent. They feel our mother tongue accent is there. It is somehow giving impact. Nothing wrong in that. The Britishers never tried to speak in Indian accent. So why we are trying to copy their accent? Feel free to be in your accent. With course of time that will change. And number 10, which is the most important one, practice, 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 and only practice. The more you practice, better you will be. Practice makes a man perfect. So please devote time to practice the thing every day without fail. I think it is useful to you. If you are finding it useful, please follow me for more such informations in future and stay connected with me. Thank you so much.